So now, whenever we are running the application, okay, so like this, my model number is, I am giving the one, and brand name is null value, right? So now, whenever running the application, here exception thrown. Okay, see here exception thrown, which is triggered by the C sharp compiler. I mean, based on the program I'm getting, right? But here exception is happening due to the program related, right? C sharp compiler is throwing to me here to showcase the what are the exception details, kind of that. But I wanted to throw the exception manually. I mean, from my end, I wanted to throw. Okay, not by the C sharp compiler. Okay, manual I would like to trigger. Can I do in the sense? In the sense, yes, you can do by using the. There is one concept called the throw related feature in the C sharp .NET. So, what is the throw new feature in the C sharp .NET? Okay, throw new along with the exception details, your exception name, that statement which is used to intentionally, I mean manually, if you want to throw your error while during of your program execution, you can do that by using the throw new exception name statement. So this is typically used to indicate that something unexpected has occurred, or if you want to enforce the your certain conditions in your code. I mean, so there is some logic which is happening unexpectedly. I mean, your program is behaving unexpectedly. In that case, if you want to manually throw the exception, so in that case, uh, you can use the this throw new along with exception name related reference. So in this case, you can trigger the your exception manually. Okay, so generally we are going to use the throw new exception. Generally, we can use inside of the try block, or you can use in the outside of the your try block, which is in the method. Okay, let's prepare the throw new statement in the our program. So now I would like to prepare the throw new statement as of now inside of the try block. Okay, so we know that this is exception which is not happened manually. I mean, from my end, this is happening from the compiler, C sharp compiler. Now let me trigger from my end manually. Okay, so on that case, what I can do here in the sense, let me prepare the one condition here. If uh, car brand double equal to null, or car brand in case empty. Okay, so whether car brand is null value or empty. Okay, I'm checking the condition. Okay, so then I am throw the my exception. Okay, throw new, and exception name here null reference exception. That's it. I would like to move this code before the uppercase. Okay, so here this is the right place. Okay, so because I am checking the car brand null or empty before I am converting to the uppercase. Okay, this is the best place. Now execute the code. Let's start. So now my car brand is null value, right? Now if you see the, I am throwing the my exception manually. Okay, that is null reference exception. Okay, I am setting the throw new null reference exception. So whenever I'm going to use this exception, use this statement, so automatically it will trigger to the catch block. Okay, okay, so throw new null reference, right? So let me click on F10. So whenever I'm going to click on F10, see that null reference exception is happening. Okay, after that, finally is there anyway, once the catch is executed, so finally it's happening, right? So in this way I can throw the exception. So in this way you can use the throw new statement if you want to trigger the exception manually.